Hello, children. Welcome back. I hope you all are happy and safe at home. So, we were doing our chapter number 3, factors and multiples. So, in the last video, I have told you that these numbers are called factors and this number is called multiple, right? So, what is factor? What do you mean by factor? So, student, a factor is a number which divides other number without leaving any remainder. And a multiple of a number is the product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same or any other number. Suppose I am having 28 pens, right? And I want to distribute these 28 pens among 7 students. So, with this application, I will be able to know that each student will get 4 pens. Correct? So this is the practical example of factors. This is the question, find the factors of 30, right? So firstly, find the pairs of number which will give you the product 30. Okay, you have to think of a number, actually two numbers, that if we multiply those two numbers, the answer should be 30. Let's see here, 1 into 30, 30, 2 into 15, 30, 3 into 10, 30, 5 into 6, 30. So we got 4 pairs of number which give the product 30 here. No other pair of number when multiply will give the product of 30. So we are having these 4 pairs. Correct? So now how do we write the factors? Here we will write factors of 30 are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 6, 6, 10, 10, 15, 15, 30, 30. Correct? So these are the factors of 30. Now I'm going to tell you few points about factors. 1 is a factor of every number, means number 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Every number is a factor of itself, means the factor of 2 is 2, factor of 3 is 3, factor of 5, 5, factor of 24, 24. Every number is a factor of itself. The factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. जो भी फैक्टर होगा नंबर का वो हमेशा उससे इक्वल होगा या फिर लेस देन होगा. It will never be greater than. Every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Means every factor will have at least 2 factors, right? Yeah, there is a special case with 1. 1 is having only one factor, that is 1, the number itself 1. Other than that, all the numbers will have at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Of course, it can also have a lot of factors, no issue in that case. So kids, do remember these points properly. These will help you to find the factors as we go further. Now, I just wanted to tell you about the various numbers. First is even number. So even numbers are exactly divisible by 2. Or you can say that any number that can be exactly divided by 2 is called as an even number. Like we have example here, 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Or you can also say that even numbers always ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, like this. Correct? Next is odd numbers. Any number that cannot be exactly divided by 2, means if you divide it by 2 you will be getting remainder. So those numbers are called odd numbers. We have example here, 3, 5, 7, 9 and like this. Correct? Next is prime numbers. A number that is divisible only by itself and 1. मीन्स जो नंबर खुद से ही डिवाइड होता हो या फिर 1 से डिवाइड होता हो इज कॉल्ड प्राइम नंबर्स. वी हैव few example here, 2, 3, 5 and like this. You know what, student, you can also say that in a simpler language that prime numbers has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. See, 2, let's understand this. 2 is having factors only 1, right, and 2, और 2 किसी और नंबर पे आता ही नहीं है, किसी और टेबल में आता ही नहीं है, so that's why we can call it prime numbers. See, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, these numbers cannot be completely or exactly divisible by any other numbers, so we can say these numbers are prime numbers. Next is composite number. So the whole numbers that have more than 2 factors are called as composite numbers. Or you can also say that these numbers are divisible by other numbers as well. Means ये नंबर किन्हीं और नंबर से भी डिवाइड हो सकते हैं, like 4, 6, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16. You can say these are just opposite of prime numbers. Next is twin prime number. Twin primes are pairs of primes which differ by 2. Means twin primes वो पेयर होते हैं प्राइम नंबर्स के जिनके बीच का गैप एक कंपोजिट नंबर होता है. So we have 3, then 4 and 5. So as you can see here, 4 is a composite number, right? So we can say that 3 and 5 are twin prime numbers. Let's read it once. Two prime numbers are called twin primes if there is present only one composite number between them. See, if few students say, ma'am, 2 and 3. 2 and 3. But my dear students, between 2 and 3, I am not getting any composite number. So I cannot say that these two numbers are twin prime numbers. Again, I'm repeating, for twin prime numbers you must have a composite number between that, like 5 and 7 I'm having 6 is a composite number. 11, 13 I'm having 12 in between, and 12 is a composite number, right? So twin primes are pair of primes which differ by 2. So these are the numbers that I wanted to discuss with you.